Okay. Welcome to this small. Good.
Thank you. I wish you.
You can't defeat them.
We can defeat then it will come here.
Yeah.
The national agency.
Right.
Because we have passed that they are more concerned with this.
Police, they are here. And two
Yeah. Please, good. Okay, thank you.
the bank is slowly.
Surgery as minimum as possible.
So this was found the target of the house.
This is our operating theatre room.
Oh,
Here,
operating.
only for C-sections.
Can we have a go?
No, we can't go beyond this. We can't go beyond this. They can just see it from here.
All right, well, it is.
And
You've got one operating too.
actually, we have other operating theatre. This is only for the ops and gynecology.
I came to listen, and it's been a great opportunity and experience. I've heard from civil society, I've heard from the elected representatives of the Somaliland people. I shall be hearing from the government very shortly. So I'm here listening and very clearly receiving the message. They feel that they don't think that one size of UN will fit all, that the programs will need to be tailored and crafted for the specific needs in Somaliland, and I've reassured them that that's absolutely what the UN is doing and UNSOM is doing. We shall be making sure our interventions, our capacity building, our support for civil society, for democracy building is absolutely tailored and crafted to suit the individual requirements of this complex place.
Wow, thank you. Good to see you.
Good to see you again.
Yes, yes.
Had a good meetings?
Yeah, very good so far.
I'm Jama, Somali representative in Kenya.
Kenya? Okay, excellent. Very good. Right.